Hello guys, in this part 47, I will show you how to create this travel map animation in Canva in few easy steps. I already jumped to the next page, as you can see. So we are going to the apps and searching for this map video. This is the application. First, we can set the duration 2, 5, or 10 seconds. I keep it 10 seconds. We can change the different type of aircrafts. Maybe use this. And we can choose the two countries, so the from to, and also we can add the add flag field, so the country will be filled with the flag, or we can also add the text. So when I added the text, in this case means this is the country name. So now this Brazil to India, I would like to change from Spain to United States, because the king of Spain is going to the World Cup final in New York, so I will create a travel animation video for this. So create video, I just stopped. So I just pause the video to not waste your time. So now it's generated, here is the preview. So just click on add to design, and in this case this will be added to the design, and now it's uploaded even to our upload files, and here is the animation going from Spain to the United States. Unfortunately, we cannot select cities, so I cannot make that animation from Madrid to New York. As you can see, technically the plane is going to the center of the city, but at least we can do the Spain to United States flight animation, which is a really cool feature, and it's free. You can do whatever you want without unlimited, so it's unlimited numbers, so that's really good. So you can try it, then enjoy your animation, and these animations you can move into any of your project, which is a pretty cool thing, I think. So now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm on greatest friends. Plus, if you have any question about Canva or struggling anything in Canva, please let me know in the comment section. I will answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video, where you can find links for my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, of course, list in a Facebook page. And in the Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial will go to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.